Each year, thousands of people die on wait lists for human organ donors. Many elderly patients are rejected outright due to their increased age. While it's still a ways off, xenotransplantation could be a solution to both of these problems and perhaps many more. Xenotransplantation means using living, non-human animal cells, tissues, or organs to treat humans. While it's commonly thought of as transferring animal organs into a human, xenotransplantation can also describe other medical events. First, animal cell therapies transfer cells, not organs, from an animal into a human. Currently, these kind of treatments are being tested to transfer pancreatic cells from a pig to a human with type 1 diabetes, so the pig cells can produce insulin, so no further insulin injections are needed. Another procedure is external animal cell therapies. An example of this therapy is taking the blood out of someone who has experienced liver failure and is waiting on an organ donor. This blood is run through a machine containing pig cells, which are used to filter the blood and return it clean to the patient. Finally, work is currently being done to transfer a whole organ from a pig to a human without it being rejected. Since primates are our closest animal relatives, it only makes sense that we should harvest organs and cells from them. Yet their closest to humans raises the risk for cross-species infection and increased likeliness of new viruses developing, and many primates are already on the endangered species list. Pigs offer a much better alternative and option for organ transplant. First of all, pigs are anatomically similar to human organs and can provide a vast array of sizes from young pigs to old pigs. Also, pigs have large litters, so availability of organs will be greatly increased. Pigs are also a prime target for genetic engineering and can be reared in safe, sanitary conditions so no diseases are present in organs. Finally, since millions of pigs are slaughtered annually, using organs from them has far less ethical concerns than opening up an industry that kills animals on endangered species lists. Despite the advantages that xenotransplantation has over current medical practices, it still has many obstacles to overcome before it's ready for widespread use. First of all, any organ introduced to a new body, whether it's a human or animal organ, is seen as a foreign invader to the new host. A human's immune system will create antibodies that attach to the foreign matter and label it to be eliminated. Soon, the new pig organ is attacked by the human's immune system and rejected. Also, transferring any organ to a completely new species carries a high risk of microbial infection or development of new diseases. Humans awaiting transplant are already treated with immune suppression drugs, leaving them vulnerable to infection, especially from new microbes associated with pig organs that the body has never seen before. New diseases could also arise from transmission of viruses only found in swine to a new human host. Especially dangerous are indigenous retroviruses. Retroviruses are components of most mammals, including humans, and are usually harmless. However, introducing a swine retrovirus to a human could activate the retrovirus. Once pathogenic, this new virus could cause a new contagious disease never encountered by humans. Retroviruses are especially dangerous because they're very hard to isolate and monitor because of their location in the pig's genome. Though retroviruses and other microbial diseases can be monitored and effectively eliminated, whole organ transfer is still a long ways away. While xenotransplantation does have many risks and is still currently far away from being implemented, it does have numerous advantages that would be beneficial to many people around the world. The great potential of xenotransplantation is a good sign for the domestic pig and its producer. It could open up new markets and establish long-term demand for products that America's pork producers are well suited to create.